get drank? And why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out the songs that you wrote? Over and over, everybody makes my prediction. So if I get stoned and carrying on an old family tradition, I am very proud of my daddy's name. Although his kind of music and mine ain't exactly the same. Stop and think it over. Put yourself in my position. If I get stoned and sing all night long, it's a family tradition. So don't ask me, Hank, why do you drink? Hank, why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out the songs that you wrote? If I'm down in a honky tonk, some old dick trying to give me correction, I said, leave me alone. I'm singing all night long. It's a family tradition. Tell me what the tradition is, Noah.